All right, how's it going, everyone? We're live. Okay, shared it on the story as well. I will now open the live chat. How's it going, everyone? Welcome to this live trading session. Hope you guys are doing great. All right. Hey, then. Hey, Sushin, how's it going? Hey, Youssef. Hope you're doing well. I took buy in GBP JPY. Looks like it's going pretty good so far. If you're in the buy, so well done. Hey, Daniel, how's it going? You looking very good, very good. Waiting for MSS. Yeah, indeed, it is looking pretty good. Okay, we can see that it's giving an MSS now, but we need to wait and see if the fair value gap will be confirmed. If yes, then we might have a setup. Okay, we might have a setup. So yeah, let's focus on the watch list pairs right now. On EU, we took out this liquidity level, also rejecting from an H1 demand, looking pretty beautifully. Looks like we're having an aggressive MSS now as well. We also had a liquidity run over here on the 5-minute, and also over here. Okay, so looking pretty good. EU is looking pretty juicy, I'm not gonna lie. We'll see if we'll have the VVG confirmed over there, depending on how this 5-minute candle will close. Hopefully it's going to be a decent sized fair value gap. That's what I'm willing to see. Apart from that, on GU also looks pretty interesting. Okay, we have a beautiful H1 sweep, as we can see by the wicks. And now on the 5-minute, we are waiting for an aggressive shift. Okay, I would like to see this high being broken impulsively, and then we could most likely look for a setup. On US 30, we kind of already have a setup, guys. Okay, we can see we also had a liquidity run over here as well. Okay, first fair value gap, second fair value gap over here. Entry would be on the second fair value gap, but let's wait for the stock exchange to open. We also have a liquidity run over here on GU. Let's quickly mark it. And yeah, GJ is currently in between these two liquidity levels. Same goes for gold, same goes for USHEF, and same goes for NASDAQ. But we should keep our focus on these three pairs for now, because as we can see, Euro USD looks like it's going to give us a setup. Okay, yesterday it gave us a record-breaking setup. So let's see, back-to-back winning trades on EU. That would be something to be really happy about. But anyways, this week started off very nicely yesterday with that win. Super happy, super thankful for it. GU looks like it might give us a setup as well. But yeah, we also have SMT. Okay, we can see that this low here 14.55, and this low here 14. No, not really. We do have a small SMT though. Okay, so guys, we do have a setup. We do have a setup. Okay, we do have a setup right here on EU with the stop loss below this low, targeting to RR. Okay, so let me quickly send it. I need to be very, very fast and also calculate my lot size. Damn, price is moving pretty fast. Price is moving pretty fast. I need to be quick. I need to be quick with it. Okay, save. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I don't want to miss this setup. Don't want to miss it. Don't want to miss it. Okay, sent it. Now let's calculate my 11.7. Okay, come on. Okay, that's the lot size. Let's place the buy limit. Okay. Okay. Perfect. All right. All right. All right. Order has been placed. Let's see. Let's see, guys. Looks like it will trigger us very, very soon. Yep. Entry is placed well there. Yeah, I'm curious to see if we're going to get a tap in here. Yes, I know, Gregor, there is news in 30 minutes, but it's 30 minutes before the news, so I'm taking the setup. If this setup would have occurred, let's say 5 minutes before the news, I wouldn't have taken it, okay? But like this, I am taking it, okay? Let's check GU. Okay, we can see that GU hasn't broke structure yet. So yeah, I'm not gonna rush anything. And boom, check this out, guys. Check this out. We didn't rush it, and stock exchange swept everything out. Okay, we avoided taking another loss. How? By sticking to our plan. Okay, we can see that US 30 liquidated every single buyer over here. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to go on the hourly. I want to delete everything. Not really everything. I want to delete these drawings over here. See, guys, how important it is to stay true to your plan. It's so crucial. So crucial. Let's go on the 5. Let's delete this drawing, and that's the new low. In terms of higher time frame confluence, do we have any? Nope, not really. Not really. So the only confluence could be a beautiful H1 sweep. Okay, so we have a beautiful H1 sweep, a plus potential depending on MSS. Okay, that's that on US 30. GU still no breakout, no break of structure. Oh, Euro USD almost tapping us in, and these other pairs, yeah, they're still in between, so nothing new on them. Okay, perfect. Now we shall wait and see if EU is going to trigger us. And I will also film a super short market update, okay? I will film a super short market update for the people that aren't yet live with us to let them know how things are looking so far. So here we go. How's it going, everyone? We are live for today's trading session as promised, and we already have a potential an A plus setup, not a potential, because I already placed it buy limit. I've sent it in my community as well. Basically, what we are seeing here on EU is a liquidity sweep of this very low on the hourly. We also entered a H1 demand on the hourly time frame, looking really good, rejecting from it, and on the 5 minute we can see that we had an aggressive market structure shift, good looking fair value gap, and now we can see that it literally missed our entry by 0.1 pips, but it should trigger pretty soon. And apart from that, we also have our eyes on GU and US 30 for now. Okay, so yeah, that being said, make sure to attend us live if you're able to. If not, I'll update you all with how today will go anyways. All right, so yeah, see you on the live. Okay, people, that was the market update. Now I will quickly post it in the group as well as on my story, and then I shall check your live chat. Okay. Until then, make sure you guys smash that like button and also that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. Okay. So yeah, let me quickly send the short market update. Okay. Okay. Here it is. Perfect. Come on. Come on, EU. Don't give us a miss. I will be super annoyed if it literally missed us by this tiny bit and it goes straight towards the upside. Even though I shouldn't, because it gave us the most beautiful win possible yesterday, but still, it's really annoying to get missed by such a tiny bit. But let's see. It's still way too soon to speak. Hopefully you didn't go without us. Yeah, Daniel. Hopefully. I'll make sure, guys, to check all of your messages. Okay, don't worry. I'll go over all of your messages in a minute or two. Okay. So oh, check this out. Looks like EU is reversing. Maybe it will tap us in. Hopefully, because like I said, otherwise it would be pretty annoying indeed. Okay, I will now share it on the story as well. Okay, here we go. Come on, EU. Stop playing. Stop playing with us. Stop playing with us, EU. But yeah, what will be will be. It's all good. Like I said, I'm already super happy with how this week started, so there's nothing for me to complain about. Trump speaking, wasn't it tomorrow? The Trump speech? Yes. Yeah, look, President Trump speaks tomorrow on Wednesday. So hopefully no Trump speech today. But yeah, let's see. Come on, you. I'll go over all of your messages in a sec, guys, okay? Bear with me. Let me drink some syrup real quick. And yeah, let's see. Let's see, guys. Last week we smashed the 70 like barrier. That was a record. Let's see if today we can get past that record. Maybe 75 or 80 likes. That would be really cool. We are currently sitting on 5 likes only. Okay, come on, guys. We can do better than that. We can do way better than that. Like I said, if you aren't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe as well. Because this Saturday, I'm gonna upload a very cool video, a full breakdown on the trade that I took yesterday on euro dollar that literally smashed my TP, guys, in 2 minutes and 1 second. Okay, if you're in my community, you already know what I'm talking about. It was a mental trade. Okay, it was literally the fastest TP of my life. Like, not even close. Not even close. And I doubt I will ever break that record, if I'm being totally honest with you guys. Okay, so check this out. We avoided rushing into GU, and it looks like it was a great decision. Okay, and looking at this correlation here, check this out, guys. GU with EU. EU looks a lot stronger. Okay, the euro is looking a lot stronger right now than the British pound, which is pretty good. So yeah, let's see. US 30 gave a beautiful wick here. liquidated some buyers. Now we shall see if it's going to give us an aggressive shift. GJ is still in between, gold in between, USHF in between, and NASDAQ in between as well. So for now, guys, we should just sit on this EU chart and see if it's going to trigger us. I really like how the euro is holding its ground compared to the British pound. Okay, we can see it's a pretty huge difference on how they're holding their ground. So yeah, let's see. Hopefully it's going to tap us in and not just go towards the upside without us. That would be very annoying. Okay, so now I will be able to check all of your messages. I'm a funded trader. I started trading in 3 months ago. Nice, that's cool, man. That's really good. That's really good. Continue using the same risk management that got you funded. Okay. GU also, yeah, Daniel, GU could also give us a potential A+, but right now it doesn't look like it. Okay. Oh, come on, EU. Please don't do us like this. Do not do us like this. The amount of love EU gave us yesterday to take it away today, come on. Come on. I would prefer, to be honest, I would prefer EU to tap us in and hit the stop loss than heading towards the upside from here and smashing the TP without us. I'm not gonna lie, it's a bigger pain for me. I don't know if you guys agree. Let me know if you agree, if it's a bigger pain than a stop loss, but for me it is, if I'm being totally honest. A lot of sell side liquidity on US 30, yep, and it looks like it was taken out. It looks like it was taken out, all the sell side here, which is perfect because now we could expect US 30 to pump. Hello Dan, belated happy birthday, congrats on your 200k challenge. Hey, thanks a lot. Thank you, Aura. That's very kind of you. I really appreciate you for your wish. It really was a cool birthday, I'm not gonna lie. We partied a lot on Saturday. I stayed up late. It was a really cool night with the friends. And thank you for the congratulations on the 200k. That was a really successful challenge, I'm not gonna lie. The markets moved very well those 2 days, and that's how I was able to pass the challenge so quickly. There is news at 4 p.m. Yep, I know. Hopefully this trade will trigger until then, because if it won't, I'm not sure if we're going to keep it. GJ already TP. Can you check the link if you want? GJ, you sent me a link? I don't know. Or you mean if I could check the GJ chart over here? If that's your question, then yeah, sure. I mean, you probably entered over here, right? On this fair value gap. I think so. If that's the case, then well done. Glad your TP was smashed. Hello, Dan. How are you, brother? I'm good. I'm good, Patricio. How are you? Hope you're doing well as well. EU, yep. Here we are with euro dollar. We can see that we have a valid A+ setup. Now we're just waiting for it to get triggered. Gold analysis. So on gold, things look pretty simple right now. We can see that gold is in between these two liquidity levels. Not much to do about it. Okay, not much to do about gold. But wait, you know, we just gotta wait for either one of these two liquidity levels to get taken out. We can see that gold is consolidating at this moment in time. Okay, so yeah, I really like how the euro is holding its ground compared to the British pound. Okay, we can see it's holding its ground great. And once again, this could have been another loss, right? If we would have rushed things and entered on this VVG here, this would have been most likely another loss. Okay, but once again, that's why we always stick to our plan, to the T. Okay, gold. You guys already saw my thoughts on gold. Do you know Rob? He is from England. What? I'm not sure. I mean, there are many people named Rob that are from England. If you could be more specific, maybe I'll be able to give you an answer. Hopefully you didn't go without us yet. I hope so too, but it looks like it might trigger us now, hopefully. Like I said, I prefer this trade to hit the stop loss than to move all the way up and hit the TP without us. I'm not gonna lie. Hey Alex, how's it going? Sushi and gold is ranging since London Open. Better wait for the macros and see if actual is less or over expected. Yep, that's exactly what gold is currently waiting for. That's why it is consolidating, because it is waiting on the news that will drop very, very soon. And most likely after that, it will make a move. Okay. Hey, Evan, how's it going, brother? Hello, Dan, how's it going? I see we already looking at a possible entry. Yes, we are. And here we go. Here we go. We finally got triggered. We finally got triggered in EU. Okay. So let's see. Now all the work is done. We just gotta embrace it and see how this setup will go. If it's going to be a winner, so be it. If it's going to be a loser, so be it. This was an A+ setup. Ticked all the boxes. So yeah, we'll just have to wait now and see how it plays out. Of course, the only downside is that we have news in 15 minutes, and that could be a bit of a gamble, but I respected my plan. This setup triggered 15 minutes before news, not 5 minutes. So yeah, we're good to go with it. Okay. We can remember that last week the session was really cool. It was a really profitable one, filled with action. Let's see. That doesn't mean that this one will be the same as well, of course. We could also have choppy markets. I want you guys to be aware of that, because I want you guys to use a proper risk. You know, I don't want you to go overboard with the risk just because, last week Dan had a really good session with us on Tuesday, and because of that, now I am super confident and I will risk 2 times more. You know, because we never know. Today might be a choppy day. This trade might be a loss. Maybe I will get into another loss. Okay, that's just how trading works. So that's why it is very important to use a proper risk management and stick to it. Okay. So Pravin, please stop spamming the same message over and over again. Otherwise, I will have to remove you. Okay. As you can see, I'm reading every single message, so there is no reason for you to spam the same message multiple times. Okay. Please, out of respect for the people and also for myself, stop spamming. Okay. Thank you. Let's see if I placed it correctly. Yeah, I did. Perfect. Okay. After liquidity sweep, when should we see charge? Well, whenever the price will give the charge. There's no such thing as specifically when. You know, we just gotta wait and react to it. Are you able to open positions before news on funded accounts? It depends. It depends on what funded account you're on. It depends on the firm. For example, on FTMO, from what I know, you cannot, unless you have the swing accounts. Of course. Hi Dan. Hey, how's it going? Broader logic of EU long setup. It's very simple. First of all, on the 1 hour time frame, we swept this major liquidity level over here. We also tapped into the hourly unmitigated demand over here, rejected from it, and then on the 5 minute, it gave us the aggressive market structure shift. Okay, which is exactly what we wanted to see. And yeah, so far it's looking pretty good. It's having a pretty nice reaction to the fair value gap. So yeah, that was pretty much the thought process. Okay, we have the aggressive shift here, fair value gap here, entry on the fair value gap. So yeah. Hey Dan, how are you today? Hey Jackie, how's it going? I'm good, brother. How about you? How's your day going? How's your week going? How's your weekend? Let me know about all that. It's been 1 month still in drawdown in the funded challenge. I'm sorry to hear that. What you need to ask yourself is if you were able to do everything according to your plan. If the answer is yes, then maybe it's been a choppy month in the markets and it's part of the game. But if the answer is no, then you know what you need to work on. This, and also ask yourself if the strategy that you are using is profitable. Have you collected the data? Do you know that the strategy is actually profitable? Okay, that's the questions that you need to ask yourself, because if you're just starting a funded challenge just for the sake of starting it, it's literally a gamble. Okay, you should only start a funding challenge when you know that you have a proven system, a profitable strategy, an edge on the markets, you have a good discipline, a good risk management plan, and that's when you get into a funded challenge, not sooner. Okay. Why didn't you take the GU setup? Please, can you explain? Very simple. it didn't give me a setup. Okay, I didn't consider this to be a market structure shift. Okay, there was no clear structure here. You know, that's why I didn't enter GU. And it looks like it was the right choice because as we can see, GU, the British pound looks a lot weaker than the euro. Okay, euro looks a lot stronger right now, which is great. Yes, I'm doing great, fully recovered and always ready to learn more. By the way, your content is very neat and direct. Much blessed. Hey, thanks, man. Appreciate your feedback. Appreciate your feedback, and I'm glad that you're fully recovered. I'm glad that you are fully recovered. Okay, so let's see. 10 minutes till the news. If price could go a bit more into profit, I would consider moving the stop loss at break even. But for now, I won't, of course. Hello from Tokyo. Hey, nice. I've always dreamt to go and visit Tokyo. Maybe in the future I will. Hope you're doing well. Hi Dan, I'm Oscar watching from Botswana. I entered on GU. It seems like it's gonna hit the SL. I'm sorry to hear that, man, but GU wasn't really valid. And yeah, it looks like it's going to hit the SL if you entered it. But yeah, it wasn't a valid A plus setup for me, if I'm being totally honest. And let me check my phone real quick. Yep, I already see some notifications from you guys reaching out regarding the mentoring program. As always, guys, I will get back to you, okay, as soon as this session ends. I'm not ignoring your messages. I'm just focused on what I have in front of me right now. Hence why I won't be able to respond to your messages until we end the session. And also, please apply for the mentoring only if you are truly serious about trading, because I do not accept every person that wants to join it, okay? So please apply for it only if you are very serious about trading. All right. Yes, Rob have a channel on YouTube. Name is Rob Dono. Oh, I think yeah, I think that name is familiar. I think his name is familiar. I think he's a pretty cool guy from what I know. He also trades funded accounts, I think. But yeah, I think that's him. I remember now. Okay, so these are the pairs, nothing new. Let's just stick with EU right now. And of course, US 30 as well. Might give us something soon. But yeah, let's see. Let's see, guys. Right here, I also want to mark the liquidity real quick. Why not? Perfect. Okay. All right. I'm in the trade, brother. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Hopefully you apply proper risk, because like I said, if the last week was really profitable, the last session, that doesn't mean that today will be profitable as well. Okay, we need to use the same risk management, because we never know. Today might be choppy. Okay, yesterday, for example, was a great day in the markets, had a beautiful win on euro dollar. But today, the markets might be choppy. That's why it is very important for us to be very strict with our risk management. Okay. Hey Dan, where are you from? I am from Romania, East Europe. Where are you from? Pretty good, thanks bro. I finally come with right timing. Nice. Happy to hear it. Happy to hear it. Dan, quick recap on the news. If the new values on the US dollar are bigger than forecasts, does it mean that the US dollar is weaker? Because Joel's means vacation. Yeah, that is correct. Hello from Dubai. Hey, how's it going, man? How's the weather in Dubai right now? In degrees Celsius. GBP 1 hour BPR tap. Let's see. I mean, on GU, I'm not gonna look on anything right now because I don't see a shift. So only potential setup we could have soon is on US 30. Okay. My strategy in fighter account is everything or nothing. I mean, I don't know what to say about that, but it's up to you. The news this trade is so scary. Yeah, I mean, we gotta embrace it. Like I said, it's a valid setup that triggered 20 minutes before news. So still we stick to the plan. Okay. Who going to your birthday day? So I've celebrated my birthday with a small circle of friends. It was very nice. We partied, and it was super funny. So yeah, wasn't anything crazy. Just with a handful of friends. So yeah, we can see that we have SMT. Okay, looks like we have SMT between GU and EU. So here it is, SMT, and on EU, this is the SMT here. Bam, SMT. Okay, so yeah, a good added confluence. Now it is what it is. We'll just have to wait and see how it plays out. We already did our job. This was a valid A plus setup. What will be will be. That's how I always like to put it. But yeah, guys, make sure you smash that like button. Let's see where we're at now with the likes. At 18 likes, okay. Let's see if we can smash 70 likes today. That was the previous record established last week. Let's see if we can smash that 70 like record this week. And once again, make sure you are subscribed to not miss out on any future lives or uploads. I'm from India. Nice. Good to know. It's getting hot in Dubai. I figured. How hot is it there right now? Degrees Celsius. I'm pretty curious. What are the best pairs to trade during London? Probably GBP USD, gold as well, Euro JBP, Euro USD, and maybe GBP JPY as well. Hello from Timișoara. Hey, how's it going, Vlad? Vlad is a fellow Romanian. He's from Timișoara. Hope you're doing good, brother. Yo, how's it going? We need to close above the VVG. Yep, ideally, that's what we want. To close above the VVG. Looks like some bearish momentum entered the markets. I think it's prior to the news. Yeah, it's going to be a bit of a gamble. I'm not going to lie, but what will be, will be. Like I said, in my back tests, I've already taken setup. I've always taken setups that occurred before the news with at least 20 minutes or 15 minutes. If this setup would have triggered 4 minutes before the news, I wouldn't have taken it. Okay, so yeah, let's see. If you guys want to close it, then sure, feel free to go ahead and close it. Okay, because of the news. Bro, gold getting up back to back. Gold. Let's check gold. Gold is not doing anything right now. it's sleeping, literally sleeping right now. Let's check US 30. Oh, looks like it's pulling back. Wow, look at this drop on GU. Dropping lower. Looks like it might not be a beautiful H1 sweep anymore. Yeah, I mean, looks pretty worrying, but it is what it is, guys. Like I said, might be a loss. If it is a loss, we'll take it and we'll move forward. Okay. We'll still be in profit for this week so far. If this trade is going to be a loss, up 1R. If it's gonna hit the stop loss here, because yesterday we secured 2R on euro dollar. So yeah, yesterday it gave us a win. Today it might give us a loss. But like I said, we'll just see how it goes. US 30 is heading lower as well. Yeah, let's just wait for news, I guess, and see how it goes. 30 degrees. Oh, that's pretty hot. I'm not gonna lie. That is pretty hot. And considering it's March, it's April. But yeah, I mean, Dubai is hot in general. So yeah. To be honest, the most transparent and cooperative trader I've met so far. Appreciate your responses, man. Hey, thanks, man. I really appreciate your kind feedback. That means a lot to me. And yeah, I mean, I've always been transparent. You know, that's why I'm also doing these lives to show you how trading actually works. You know, the reality of trading. Some days we win, some days we lose. It's all part of the game. And yeah, I'll never be afraid to share losses as well. You know, that's why I'm literally sitting here in a trade that's currently running in drawdown. You know, telling you guys that I do not care if it's going to hit the TP or the SL. Of course, I would be happier if it hits the TP, but if it hits the SL, I'm totally fine because I know this was a valid A+ setup. you know. So yeah, there's nothing to complain about, really. We'll just have to stick to the plan. But yeah, I truly appreciate you saying that. I truly appreciate you saying that. Let me see if I missed a message over here. The news have dropped as well. Oh, looks like a reversal so far, but it's too soon to speak. All right, let me check how they dropped. Okay, so the PMIs dropped negative for the dollar, so that's why the euro is pumping right now a bit. But once again, too soon to speak. The JOLTs are still pending, so that's gonna have a big impact as well. Still pending. But yeah, let's see. I mean, let's just check the other pairs as well. US 30, nothing. GJ in between. I will check the hourly very soon to see if we have anything new. But let's see. Oh, the JOLT's also negative for the dollar. So theoretically, EU should pump now. Theoretically, okay. But we'll see, of course. We will see. Okay, so yeah. Then there's the possibility of sweeping EU level 770. I mean, yes, of course there is, but I entered this setup based on my strategy, and now it looks like it's pumping. Let's see if we're going to hit the first TP, the first target. That would be very beautiful. Smash the like button, guys, to push EU to smash the target. That's how it works. Come on. Smash the like, the subscribe, and I'm sure that EU will climb towards the TP. So let's see. Hey Dan, hey Annalyn, hope you're doing well. I'm risking 5% in my first funded account in buy GJ. Well, that's over leveraging, brother. 5% is way too big. Biggest risk in my opinion should probably be like 2% or 2.5%. What is your win rate? Around 60%. Aiming if I take only A+ setups. Can you trade the setup in the all pairs, the H1 sweep, one? That's up to you. I personally like to trade it on only these 7 pairs. Your strategy win rate, like I said, around 60%. The news aren't too bad. Yeah, they're actually dropped. They dropped pretty much in our favor. So yeah, I can't complain if I'm being honest. But yeah, we shall see. We shall see. Now let me go on the other pairs, check the hourly, see if anything has changed. Right here, we don't have a beautiful H1 sweep anymore because this H1 candle closed below the low. But we tapped into a hourly demand. Okay, we tapped into a H1 demand on GU. So let's tap it in here, H1 demand. But let me go on EU because I think it smashed the first TP. Not yet. Not yet. Almost there, guys. Almost there. That'll be very beautiful. I'll be very happy to see it smashing the first TP. 4 hour nothing, daily nothing, but that is more than enough. So we have an H1 demand. So this is an A+ potential depending on the MSS, okay? On GU, that's that. Once again, hourly, nothing has changed in terms of levels. We can move on to US 30. On US 30, yes, this is a beautiful H1 sweep indeed, because it didn't close below it. For our daily, nothing. So yeah, these things haven't changed on US 30 either. We'll just have to wait for a aggressive market structure shift if, of course, we'll get an A+ setup. So yeah, that's that. GU, we already analyzed it. US 30 as well. GJ, still in between these two liquidity levels. Looks like it's taking out the low very soon. Yep. It will take out the low very, very soon. Looks like it. What about gold? Gold is still in between, pretty much sleeping, as we can see, guys. Not much going on. USHEV is still in between. And lastly, we have NASDAQ that is still in between. But NASDAQ put in a new low right here. Okay, so yeah, NASDAQ in between, USHEV is in between, gold is in between as well, GJ is in between as well. US 30, we've already analyzed it. We are waiting for an aggressive shift. Same goes for GU. Okay. And yeah, we'll just have to wait now, of course. Euro USD slightly missed the first target. Let's see. Hopefully it will hit it. But yeah, I'm pretty happy. I'm pretty happy with how this trade is looking like so far. Let's see. Let's see. Then check gold. The data Tennessee speculated 3160 price after breaking the 3139 5-minute resistance. I mean, gold for me right now, I'm not really interested in it because it's literally sleeping. Okay, it's in this range here, so it's in the middle of nowhere basically. That's why I'm not bothering with gold right now. We have a beautiful BOS on EU. Yeah, indeed we do. Hopefully it's going to close like this. When will you look for a sell setup in gold? I would only look for a sell setup on gold if the top liquidity level will get taken out. Until then, I'm not looking for anything on gold right now anyways. Best broker for Forex? Probably IC Markets, I think. Is there a vlog of your birthday? We are interested in seeing it. Unfortunately, there isn't. I haven't vlogged during my birthday. I just enjoy the moments without the camera. But maybe in the future, if you guys will enjoy seeing it, I will consider recording it as well. Yeah, IC Markets indeed ended up leaving the Euro USD trade. Good luck on the news. Thank you, man. And yeah, I mean, if that was your choice, then stick with it. Why not? What about CRT strategy? Dan, it's good. I'm using it. You shouldn't ask me if it's good. You should ask yourself if it's good. Backtest it, and that's the easiest way you'll find out if it's good, if it's profitable or not. Collect data, backtest it, and you will have your answer. Okay? MSS in GU. Let's see. Now, this is not an MSS. Okay? An MSS would be above this high. This right here is noise. Okay, same way that this right here could have been considered MSS, I considered it noise and it would have been a loser. Okay, so yeah, let's just keep the chart on EU for now. Have running trades already? Yeah, this one on Euro USD. It's running in some profit now. Went pretty close to the first target, so yeah. Once again, guys, because I see some more messages on Telegram, I see that more of you guys applied for the mentoring. Like I said, I'm not ignoring you right now. I will get back to you as soon as the session ends, okay? I will get back to your messages. And for the people that don't know what I'm talking about, if you click the first link in the live session's description, you will be able to apply for my mentoring program and contact me privately. Okay, but only do that if you are truly serious about trading. If not, don't bother. Okay. Oh, yo, let's go. I was so focused replying to a important message on my phone that I didn't see euro dollar making this move. Wow, this is so cool. This is so cool. Come on, euro dollar. What is it? W again? Yes, guys, come on, spam the W. Spam the W in the chat, guys. Spam the like button, spam the W. I'm doing a short video. So, looks like euro dollar is giving us another beautiful win. Look at this beautiful bullish momentum. Everyone in the chat with the W's, come on. Come on, let's go, people, with the W's. Hey, got it live on the trading session. Yeah, it looks like back-to-back wins on euro dollar. Yesterday gave us a record-breaking win. In 2 minutes, it smashed the TP. The chat is going crazy with the W's. Yeah, I mean, it's going great. It is going great, guys. Look at this beautiful, beautiful reaction. Yeah, not much else to say. If you guys want to join us, you know where to find us, okay? Hey, let's go, people. I think today we should smash the previous like record, okay? Come on. Let's smash that like button, the subscribe as well. Let's get this live past 70 likes, okay? That's what we want to see. That's what we want to see. Okay? Come on. I know we can do it. I know we can do it. my reaction was funny, I bet, because I was focused on my phone, and then when I looked up I was like, wow, the euro dollar was here, smash TP1, and I was like, oh, no way. It's running that well. Okay. Yeah, come on, let's go. What a beautiful session so far, guys. Euro USD is an MVP this week, I'm not gonna lie. Win yesterday, win today. I mean, what else can you ask from him? What else can you ask from him? But yeah, super happy, guys. I'm super happy. And what can I say? Who else does this? Who else does this? Catching profits live in front of everyone. Who else does this, guys? Oh, wow. Look at it go. Look at it go. Come on. Just, oh, looks like Geo might give us a setup as well. Okay, we got to be careful on that. But yeah, I'm just enjoying EU right now, guys. I'm not going to lie. Check Geo, bro. Don't forget him. Yeah. I will. Don't worry. I'm just enjoying this EU run. But I'll make sure to check your messages as well, guys. Like I said, smash that like button, spam it. Spam the subscribe button as well if you aren't already. And yeah, I mean, what else? If of course you guys want to get access to all of the trades I'm taking on a day-to-day basis, first link down below, you should click it. Okay? Let's go. And yeah, I mean, looks like Geo is on the table as well, as we can see it here. This is the first fair value gap. Second fair value gap is right here, and that should be our entry. Okay, but let me check your US 30 no, GJ no, gold no, just making sure that we don't have anything else that's interesting right now. Yeah, only interesting thing is on GU. And yeah, I mean, it looks like here we have the BOS center. So yeah, I mean, this looks like a valid setup. This looks like a valid setup, guys. Over here, the TP is right here. Yeah, valid setup on GU, guys. Another eventful session, I would say. So yeah, let me, what should I do first? Let me send it and then I will calculate my lot size as well. I gotta be multitasking in this game, as you guys can probably tell. Here we go, copy. And that's that. Okay, and now let me, here we are. Come on, Euro USD, so close to our TP, to our full TP. Love to see it. Love to see it. Okay. Yeah, now we should focus on GU. It looks like it's giving us another fair value gap. Yeah, looks like GU is giving us another VVG here. Okay, let me see. So, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Here we go. Okay, so let me place it. All right. Yeah, what a day. What a day. What a beautiful day, guys. Yeah, GU is pumping hard right now. Safe to say, but apart from that, I mean, nothing else. And to be honest, I'm not really looking to take any more setups anyways. I mean, of course, unless we see a super beautiful A plus setup, you know, because if we see it, then we'll take it. I don't have a limit on how many A plus setups I take in a day, you know. But yeah, it's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. What a trade. What a trade, guys. Textbook. And yeah, I mean, I'm also screen recording this live. I might post it on YouTube as well. Why not? Because it's been literally caught live, this trade. So yeah, it's super valuable. But yeah, now let's check the messages, guys. But first, let me check where the line count is at 46 likes. Come on, guys, we still have some likes to go until we smash the 70 like record from the last session. But yeah, I mean, what are they? Let me check the messages now, okay? So, wow, so many W's. So many W's. Let's go. Should have met you earlier. 1 year of disappointment. I mean, you know the saying, bro. Um, Better late than never, you know? But never stop. It's this or nothing. Yep, that's the mentality. I have to join your VIP group. Like I said, if you want to apply for the community or the mentoring, and the mentoring, of course, click the first link in the video description, okay? If you click the first link, you will be redirected to the landing page and you will be able to contact me privately, okay? Regarding the community and the mentoring. So yeah. Let me check the other messages now. In massive profits, yeah. I mean, of course, we are in massive profits. GU left another VVG, but our entry will be still on the second one. So let's wait. But yeah, what a beauty on EU. What is it? W again? Yep. Entry in GU. Yep, we know it. It's this one here. We're waiting for it to get trigger now. To trigger now. W, just like last week. Yep. Back to back profitable sessions, profitable live sessions. Wow, so many W's. You guys went crazy with the W's. Let's go. Whoa. This is A plus setup power. Yep, exactly. Exactly. Look to GJ. I mean, GJ, yes, swept the low, but nothing right now. It looks like it's not really moving, so I won't bother with it for now. Check GU, bro. Don't forget him. Yep. We haven't forgetting. We didn't forget him. I just closed plus 3K on my funded account. Let's go. Big W, bro. Big W. You are the best. You are the best mentor, brother. Yesterday I took 8 trades using same strategy and only 1 loss and 7 wins. Wow, 8 trades is a lot though. You are great. Thanks, man. Appreciate you. I didn't understand the logic behind GBP USD. It's very simple. Oh, it looks like it's going to trigger. So we took out this liquidity level here. We're also rejecting from an H1 unmitigated demand, and on the 5-minute it gave us an aggressive market structure shift. Okay, and yeah, it looks like it's going to trigger now. It looks like it's going to trigger very, very soon. So yeah, that's the thought process behind GU. But of course, I always tell these people, like, yes, when you see me on the charts here, it seems pretty easy. But then if you guys will try to replicate this, it's gonna be hard, because without guidance, you won't be able to put all these confluences together, you know, and the results could be very, very different. That's why I'm always recommending, if you guys like this style of trading, and of course, if you like me as well as a trader, as a person, and if you're also ultimately very serious about trading, then you should definitely consider applying for the mentoring. Okay, because that's how you will essentially be able to learn to trade this strategy exactly as I am trading it. Okay, as well as the other mentoring strategy that I keep only for the people that join the mentoring, you know. USD CAD, I'm not trading USD CAD with this strategy. How many times a week do you go live, bro? I go live only once a week. On Tuesday, I go live publicly, but in my private community, I go live 2 times a week. And then, of course, in my private community, daily, I'm sending the trades that I am taking. Okay, the reason I only go live publicly once a week is because I also keep in close touch with the people that join my mentoring, and I need to have a lot of time for them, you know, in order to make things work. And that's why I don't have the time to go live more than I am going live right now. USD will back and then entry up. Thanks. You're welcome. You're welcome. I choose the 50% of the second VBG on GU. It triggered? Yes, it did trigger. Okay, so we are in GU as well. First target will be around here. And then TP2 there. Okay, so we are in GU as well. Let me announce the people that didn't join the session that we're in GU, the people in my community. And regarding Euro USD, make sure to either close partials or move stop loss at break even or both. Okay. All right. Hey man, I'm that man that told you I am studying your strategy. Nice. Remember me? I'm not sure. What's your name? Good afternoon. Hey, Lasiba, how's it going? Good afternoon. Hope you're doing well. Hope you are doing well. But yeah, I mean, super happy. Super happy with how this session is going so far, guys. To be honest, I wasn't expecting to have back-to-back really cool sessions. But yeah, looks like it's been manifested. Then you didn't hit me in for some reason, although it touched my line. Probably because of spreads, maybe. Could be. But hopefully, maybe it will revisit the entry and it will tap you in as well. So yeah. All right. Now we just gotta chill. Okay, let's just check the other pairs as well. So US 30 is just moving lower. Not much going on over here. GJ, yes, it took out the low. Oh, looks like we have a beautiful H1 sweep right now. What about the 4 hour? What about the daily? Yeah, so the only confluence is a beautiful H1 sweep on GJ. Beautiful H1 sweep, a plus potential depending on MSS. Okay. Oh, gold took out the liquidity level as well, swept it by the wicks, as we can see. And in terms of higher time frame confluences, nope, don't have any. Same as GJ, beautiful H1 sweep. That's it. So let's note it. H1 sweep, a plus potential depending on MSS. Okay, that's that. What about UCHEF? Oh, UCHEF took out the liquidity level as well. Looks like a beautiful H1 sweep right now. What about the 4 hour? Nothing. What about the daily? Nothing. Okay, so once again, same as the other two. It's a beautiful H1 sweep only as the confluence. H1 sweep, a plus potential depending on MSS as we all know it. And lastly, we have NASDAQ that also took out the liquidity level. Okay. It took out this low as well, which is pretty good. In terms of higher time frame confluences, nope, only the beautiful H1 sweep, and that's it. It looks like a pretty eventful day, I'm not gonna lie. Beautiful H1 sweep, a plus potential. Oh, potential depending on the MSS. Okay, so yeah, now we'll keep an eye on these pairs as well. Right now, of course, they seem a bit far from leaving a setup. And yeah, looks like EU is reversing now. Like I said, hope you guys moved the stop loss at break even and closed some partials as well. And yeah, good day so far. Let's see, maybe we'll get another A plus setup. Like I said, I don't have a limit on how many A plus setups I'm taking during a day. Do you know Warda Charlomanti? No, I don't. I just got tapped into GBP USD and on break even on Euro USD. W day for real. Dan is the best. Hey, thanks, man. Appreciate you. If it's not beautiful, it's not valid. Yep. True. True. If it's not looking good, it's not valid. That's the thesis. That's the thesis behind these setups. Tap into GU. Let's see where it goes. Nice. Yeah, I mean, it's a beautiful A plus setup. So what will be will be. Same way as I said on Euro USD. Okay, there's nothing we can do about it now anymore. But wait and see how it goes. We did our work. We did our job. We identified it. It was an A plus setup. We took it, and now it's just a waiting game. You know. Now it's just a waiting game. How long have you been trading? 5 years now. We need weights. I mean, this setup is according to our plan, so we took it. Same as Euro USD. If you have a different plan, then feel free to follow that plan. Okay. But yeah, looks like we're taking a lot of trades today. Yeah, I mean, it depends on the markets. You know, like I said, I don't have a limit with how many A plus setups I'm taking. If I see 3, 4, 5 A plus setups in one day, even though that never happened this year. I think the max we ever had was 2 or I think 3 in a day. Either 2 or 3 in a day. That was the max. But like I said, I don't have a limit, you know. If I see A plus setups, I'm taking them. There's no such thing as only taking one A plus setup per day. No. If the market is giving me 3 A plus setups in one day, I'm taking them all because that's my job, you know. So yeah, hope it makes sense, guys. Nice. GU having a pretty beautiful reaction right now. Let's see if this candlestick will close like this. That'll be pretty good. And yeah, we shall see. We shall see. Did Kush before? He is very good. I don't think I've ate Kush. That's a random question. GBP going from breaker block. Yeah, I mean, you could say that it's reacting from a breaker block as well. So yeah. True have the flexibility to participate with your model in the market without damaging the risk. Exactly. Very well said. Okay, guys, we are at 52 likes. Come on. Can we smash 70 likes today? Let's see if we can hit 70 likes today and smash that barrier. That'll be very, very cool. I think we deserve it. I think we deserve it. So go ahead and spam that like button. And also, like I said, make sure you are subscribed to not miss out on any future live sessions and of course also videos, okay? How much capital do you have currently? 400K in funding. That's the current total capital, with a goal to scale it up as much as possible. How many trades you in at the moment, brother? Sorry, joined a little late. No worries. In EU, that as we can see, went super close to the final TP. And now it looks like it's going towards the final TP again. And on GU, that just triggered like 5-10 minutes ago. Okay. Do you try skydiving in Dubai? No, I didn't try skydiving in Dubai. I'm not a big fan of that. I like adrenaline, I like roller coasters and theme parks and, adventures, but skydiving is a bit too much for me. And also I'm a bit scared of heights. So I'm not sure how that will go, That's why I prefer not to try it and just stick with the things that I'm used to, so to say. Um, uh, pu- 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 pum. What's your feeling about your best trader in this years? I don't understand your question. If you can say again, please. And how much do you risk in a trade? It depends. It depends. I wouldn't take me as an example because I'm at a more advanced level, so to say, now than I was a couple years ago when I was using the same risk over and over again. So depending on where you are in your journey, that's the risk management you should choose. Dan is the best. This is another level of finding an edge over the market. You rock. Thank you, man. Thank you. I truly appreciate that. I truly appreciate you saying that, man. My problem with ICT is the smart liquidity level, but now with CRT H4 I can mark them. Then that's why I love CRT. Then yeah, stick to CRT if that's what you love. It's that what you if that's what you like trading, then stick with it. Okay, come on, GU. Would be mental to have GU ending up as a winner as well. I'm not gonna lie, would be a mental session. And these other pairs don't really present anything interesting as of now, so we'll just have to sleep on them for now. But yeah, really solid day. Why not read my comments? I just read it. What's your average monthly PNL? It depends. It depends. Like I couldn't accurately say it because it really depends on how the markets move. For example, January was good, February was very choppy, and then March was decent. Was really decent, So it really depends on how the markets handle. The best mentor, love you, man. Hey, appreciate you saying that, man. Sending love as well. Crypto traders destroyed. Yep, seems like it. If we say risk 1%, how much you can return monthly? Once again, it depends on the market conditions and on the volume as well. Then always considering the MSS and the VVG tap on the 5-minute only. Yep. Yo, seems like I missed good trades. Would have made a good recovery here. Sorry to hear that, man. But don't worry, more opportunities should come. But yeah, I mean, two beautiful trades today. One on EU and one on GU. In terms of the other pairs, like I said, nothing really interesting right now. Waiting for the aggressive shift, but none of them seems to be close to offer us a aggressive shift right now. So we'll just wait. Okay, come on, GU. GU is charging. Let's see if we can get the TP1 smashed. Let's go. Let's go. Now I'm so close in break even my account. Thank you, Dan. You're welcome. I'm glad you were able to recover. Dan, which car you have? I have a Mercedes-Benz CLA 45S AMG. GJ flying. Nice. Nice. Oh, yep, indeed. It looks like we might have another opportunity. This day is mental. And looks like the TP1 was smashed, guys. Come on. Let's go. Look at this. Come on, guys, with the W again. Come on with the W again. What a day. What a day. Let's go. Let's go. Come on with the W, guys. What a day we are having today. Another W on GU. Okay, so we have EU and we have GU. Everyone in the live is buzzing right now with the W's. Come on, let's see them. Let's see them, guys. Come on, let's go. What a beautiful day, guys. Another W, this one on GU. Yeah, what can I say? Things are going perfect this week. It's really a mental week. Everyone is buzzing in the chat. Um, Up another 1% on the prop firm. Let's go, Evan. Love to see that. And yeah, I mean, feel free to join us. We are still live for another 1 hour and 20 minutes. Feel free to join us, and yeah, we'll see you guys there. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. What a day, guys. What a day. We are going crazy. I will check all of your messages very soon, guys. Okay, I'm multitasking right now. Uh, okay, GJ looks like it might give us a setup as well. Goal two, maybe. I don't know yet. But yeah, I mean, right now we don't have anything else, so I can just chill and make sure to send the updates and whatnot. But yeah, I mean, today was a day to remember, guys. Today is a day to remember. Let's smash that like button. We're almost at 60 likes, guys. Come on. This stream deserves more likes than that. We all know it. We all know it. Euro USD about to smash the final TP as well. The 2RR TP as well. What a day. What a day. Yeah. What a day, people. Let me put my iPad to charge because it looks like it's going to run out of battery soon, and we don't want that, do we? So here it is. Okay. I will now check your messages, guys, okay? Let me first check these pairs once again to see if we have another setup, but looks like we don't. I mean, NASDAQ theoretically would be a setup on this VVG here, but the TP would be way past the opposite liquidity level, so that's a no-go. Yeah. Let's see. The AMG, my man. Yeah. NQ, I checked NQ, and right now, yes, it gave a shift here, but I won't take this setup because the TP would be way past the opposite liquidity level. Everyone with the W's, love to see that. W again, bro. Yep. Yep. Check out NQ. Yep, I've checked it. W, are you in a trade now? I am in 2 trades now. In this euro dollar and in this GU, both running in beautiful profits. Okay. Yeah, make sure, guys, you close partials, you secure break evens, all that good stuff. Okay, that's what I would recommend. Just 5 minutes into this channel and I'm making profits already. Yep, that's what's up. That's why you should make sure to smash that like button and also the subscribe button. That'll be very much appreciated. NQ has a setup. Yeah, I know, brother, but like I said, I'm not looking to take it, and you know exactly why. Okay. How much percent should I risk on evaluation before getting funded? That depends on your risk appetite. It depends on whether you want to be super conservative and approach it conservatively, having the goal to pass it, not to pass it fast. If that's the case, 0.5% I think would be best. But if you want to pass it faster and therefore risk a bit more, knowing that you will have a bigger risk of losing the accounts, then I would say either 1% or 1.5% or even 2%. Once again, it depends on your risk appetite. Entry in GBP, JPY, no entry right now for me. Okay. How do you suggest that one handle a drawdown? You just go through it and accept it. It's part of the game. It's literally nothing to do about it. Okay, Youssef, you're not funny at all, man. And I will have to remove you. Remove. Report. Unwanted content. Sorry, Youssef, but we're not tolerating spams here. Too many setups today. Yeah, I mean, I wasn't expecting it either, but like I said, I don't have a limit on how many A+ setups I'm taking. Okay. Is there a stream schedule, Dan, or is it random? Thanks. Every Tuesday. Every Tuesday, I publicly go live with you guys. Okay. And like I said, if you guys want to take it one step further and work with me one-on-one and get access to the community as well and get access to everything, click the first link down below and apply for the mentoring, okay? But like I said, only apply for it if you are very serious about trading. If not, don't bother, okay? Because I don't accept every single person that applies for the mentoring. I only accept the serious people that show to be motivated and disciplined, okay? GBP JPY entry, not yet, like I told you. Hey Dan, do you check the DXY? Not really, sometimes during the weekend. How long does your one-on-one mentorship last? It doesn't have a time period. You know, it doesn't have a time period. When you get access to the mentoring, you'll get lifetime access to the private group, to the community where I send the trades I am taking daily. And apart from that, you'll also get access to my strategies that will be explained in depth, step by step. And also a one-on-one session with me where we'll touch base on everything, make sure you've understood everything, and also create a plan for you to qualify for those 4 and then essentially also 5-figure payouts. That's the goal. So yeah, it doesn't have a time limit. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, looks like US 30 might give us a shift. Okay, we should be careful over here. We also had a liquidity run over here. In terms of VVGs, this is the first one, and we do have a second VVG over here as well. To be honest, I won't take that one in consideration. It's too small for me to take it in consideration. But I'm not sure I would take this setup. I will tell you exactly why. I think the TP is past the opposite liquidity level. So yeah, I will keep an eye on US 30, but I'm not sure I will take it. GJ on the other hand, if it breaks this level successfully with some volume, could be a valid A+ setup. Okay, but we'll have to wait. Gold, nothing right now. USHEV, nothing. And NASDAQ, yes, it gave the shift, but like I said, if I would enter on the fair value gap, TP would be past the opposite liquidity level, so I'm not interested in that, okay? Yeah, look at GU, guys. Look at GU. Looks like both of them will approach the full TP. Imagine 4R in one day. That's pretty mental, I'm not gonna lie. That's a pretty mental day, if I'm being honest. But yeah, it seems possible. It seems possible. How long does your one-on-one mentorship? Okay, I just answered that question. Gold price action was diabolical. Yeah, indeed. Price action today on gold wasn't really ideal. Why RTP isn't based on ICT tools like liquidity and those things, it's based on stable RR because it's way easier this way. It's way easier to backtest as well, and that's why I have a fixed RR. Join the live, and so we are taking the same trades, lol. Nice. Took partial at Asian low though, and SL at break even. Yeah, that's good to do. GU first TP hit, yes sir. USD CAD is moving aggressive, check it out. I'm not trading USD CAD, okay? I'm in NQ longs, looking pretty well. Congrats. I think OPA is because of the tariff release tomorrow by Trump. Yeah, it's waiting on that. It's waiting on that news before moving faster. So yeah, that could definitely be the reason for gold moving diabolical, as you said today. In this range, it's waiting on that decision, it's waiting on that speech, and then it will make its move. So yeah, okay, so what do we have here? USHEV might actually give us something. Okay, look at it go. Gold, no. Oh, GJ as well. What's going on, guys? The markets today are something else. US 30, like I said, entry would theoretically be on this fair value gap here, but the reason I'm not taking it is because the TP would be past the opposite liquidity level. Okay, so I'm not going to bother taking it. GJ, on the other hand, looks like it's It's forming a setup as we speak, okay? We also had some liquidity sweeps over here as well, which is great. And we have the shift right here, and it's been confirmed. Okay, we do have an aggressive shift. We do have an aggressive shift. Okay, first VBG is that one. Second VBG is this big, good-looking one over here. And third VBG looks like it's going to be that one, but my entry would be on the second fair value gap, which is around here. Okay. TP stop loss would be below this low, and then the TP would be the final one at 2RR. Okay, so yeah, another A plus setup. Another A plus setup. What if we would, yeah, no. And that's the third fair value gap anyways, so that's where our entry would be on the second. Okay. So yeah, let me quickly send it. Okay. Okay. Let's check gold. Nope. Let's check USHF. The reason I'm laughing is because it looks like we might have another A plus potential on USHF as well. It depends on how we'll break this high here. I want to see a aggressive break above it. Okay, full body closure. And if I see that, we will take it. If not, I won't. Okay. Nasdaq, yeah, nothing. Gold, nothing yet. So let's put USHF next to GJ, GJ next to USHF next to GJ, because Nasdaq, gold, and US 30 don't really present anything interesting as of now. Oh, never mind. USHF is reversing, and this is a weak shift for me, hence why I will not take it if it will close like this. But let's see. Let's see, guys, okay? Let's see. Oh, wow. Look at GU, guys. Look at GU. GU is putting in some miles. Some miles and some smiles on our faces. Look at these two beautiful trades, guys. Isn't it beautiful? What a day. What a day. I mean, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful day today. Let's see. We are at 66 likes. Come on, we are close. We are close to smash the previous record of 70 likes on the live. Let's see. But like I said, I'm not taking this setup on USHF because it's a weak market structure shift here. Apart from that, it was looking really good, but I am respecting my plan, and it looks like the hourly candle will close in 20 seconds as well. So we will get more clarity on things. Yeah, I'm not taking USHIF, guys. I'm not taking USHIF, and you already know why. Okay, it's very easy. The shift was a weak one. I wanted to see full body closure, and you guys know how strict I am. Okay, I'm super strict with my plan. That's why I'm not forcing it, and I'm not losing stress over it either, because today has been an amazing day regardless. Okay, so yeah, would be super dope if these two would smash the 2RR. Like, would be super super cool. But look at this beautiful sniper, guys, on GU. I mean, come on. It cannot get better than this. Literally tapped in and went. Okay? Like, it's textbook. It's a textbook looking setup. I'll I'll check your messages in a sec, guys. I'm just checking the 1 hour time frame to see if anything has changed. Over here, no. Over here, no. Over here, nope. And nope. Yeah, nothing has changed. You chef. Yeah, not touching this setup. GJ is still pushing higher. If it's going to give us another VVG, this setup will become invalid, and it's all good. I don't mind. So be it. Just gonna look at these two beauties over here. USD CAD, MNQ longs, nice. I think yeah, because tariff UJ potential A plus. I'm not trading UJ. Then any free statistic tool? Free. I'm not sure if there's any. Sorry. I also hear about the release of tariff from India side. Then you heard about the incident occurred in Myanmar and Thailand. No, I haven't. I haven't. Entry on the second side. Why then? Any reason being that logic? Second VBG. Because that's what I backtested. Thank you so much, Dan. You're welcome. GJ is going without us. Might go without us. If it does, I don't care. Nasdaq. I didn't take Nasdaq because it just went towards the upside, and as we can see, took out the upper liquidity levels. So there's no setup over there. And yeah, I mean, right now we'll just maybe on USHIF, if it gives a full body closure above this high, we can see that the VVG is untapped. We could enter VVG, we could enter USHIF as well, but we gotta wait for that full body closure. Okay. GJ looks like it's flying, which is all good. I don't mind. GU is also flying in towards the TP. Come on, EU. EU is a bit shy of the TP of the full level. But yeah, I mean, super good looking. Super good looking. Do you have a portfolio to show profitability? Asking as a new subscriber. Best way to check that, brother, is by literally watching the live sessions that I did. They're all on YouTube. You can go ahead and watch them, see how I trade, see if I'm profitable, see if I'm not, watch the videos as well. And then, of course, if you want to see more social proof, go on my IG. Go on my IG, look at the testimonials, at the live trades, at everything you see there, and you will have your answer. Because the thing is, what you guys need to be aware of is that in trading, profits can be faked. You know, like it's probably the easiest thing to fake, in my opinion. That's why you need to go deeper than that and look for social proof. Look if actually that specific trader is trading live, if he knows what he's talking about. And this is, in my opinion, the best way to see if someone is a trader or not, you know? And then, of course, look and see if others were able to replicate what he is doing, if others were able to learn from him and do the same thing as he does. That is very, very important. And that's how, in my opinion, you should categorize a potential mentor, you know? For how long have you been trading? 5 years. Set up in USD CHF. Let's see. Yeah, it might give us a setup, but we need to wait for this 5-minute candle. If it will close like this, then yes, we will have a setup. I am your new subscriber. Can you explain GBP USD chart now? I've already explained it, but sure, I'm gonna show it to you again. Only 1 hour, we took out this liquidity level over here. We tapped into a 1 hour demand, unmitigated demand over here, rejected from it. And then on the 5-minute, I waited for an aggressive shift. Shift occurred here. We also had SMT. Shift occurred here, aggressive BOS. These two fair value gaps were left behind. I entered on the second, and then the rest was history. Okay, the price went straight towards the profit, and yeah, that was the thought process behind this GBP USD setup. Okay, hope it makes sense. I think GJ will become invalid, guys, because it's leaving a fourth fair value gap behind, and it looks like the move already happened without us. Hence why most likely will become invalid. But let's wait and see how this 5-minute candle will close. USHEF might become valid. So yeah, we'll keep an eye on that as well. We have the liquidity here. Over here we have the BOS. And we also have some liquidity over here. That low, we have a low here. It's visible on the 1 minute. Okay, just to clarify. US 30 nothing. Gold gold is actually giving a setup as well, guys. Okay, gold is giving a setup as well. We had some liquidity runs on the 5-minute as well. And we can see that we have the impulsive market structure shift over here. And we have the fair value gap right here. Okay. So yeah, gold is giving us a valid A plus setup as well. Let's move it over here. Nasdaq, US 30, nothing. USHEF is also giving a setup. Okay, so USHEF and gold are giving us setups. GJ, on the other hand, is becoming invalid. Okay, so GJ, I will delete the setup over here. Okay. All right, but let's focus on gold and on USHEF. But gold looks like it becomes invalid because it's giving us a weak shift. Okay, I'm not willing to take this right now as it looks. Let's see. It depends. It depends on how this candle will close. So let's follow it closely and see how it will close. Looks like it's gonna close bearish, and that means that it's going to be a weak shift, a weak BOS, and I'm not looking to take that. Okay, yeah, I'm not looking to take gold. Yep, and I'm not taking gold. Okay, so this right here isn't an A plus setup. I'm not taking it. GJ, as we discussed, 4 VVGs, price already did its move, hence why I'm not taking it. UCHEF, on the other hand, gave us the aggressive BOS we waited for. Okay, so UCHEF is now valid. UCHEF is now valid. Let me add 240. That's going to be the entry. Stop loss somewhere around here. And TP at 122. Okay, so UCHEF has become valid. Okay, so let me okay, placed UCHEF as well. Now we shall wait. Okay, so UCHEF is also valid. Let's see how these two are doing. Come on, come on, come on, GU, come on, EU. Can we get the full TP smashed? That would be very beautiful. Let's see, where are we at with the likes, guys? Hey, we're at 70 likes. Come on. Come on, let's aim for 80 likes then. Let's aim for 80 likes. I'm sure this stream deserves it, guys. We took 2 trades, both of them winners. Also, UCHEF is pending. Okay, it's a valid setup, so we shall see if it's going to trigger. But yeah, let's smash 80 likes today. Okay, I think we deserve it. Yep, didn't take this setup on gold because it gave a wick shift here with no body closure, and yeah, I decided to not take it. US 30 and NASDAQ don't present anything as of now, so yeah, let's just focus on UCHEF to see if it's triggering, if it's going to trigger on GU and on EU. Okay, so yeah, what a day, what a beautiful day. We smashed the previous like record as well. Super happy about that too. But yeah, I think it was well deserved, to say the least. Gold also created MSS. Yep, I saw that, and I told you why I didn't take it. Thanks, you're welcome. Check NAS and US 30, please. I just checked them, and there's not much to talk about them. Bro, come daily live, please. Unfortunately, I'm not able to do that because, like I said, I also spend time with my community members and talk with them closely, keep in touch. So yeah, that's why I'm not able to go live daily. But like I said, if you are truly serious about trading and you would like to work with me one-on-one, get access to the private community as well, and also to my mentoring, click the first link down below and apply for it. Okay. If NAS pulls back to 1920285, you think it'd be a good entry for buys until 19600? I mean, I don't see any potential buys on NASDAQ. Okay, so yeah, I would stay away. I would stay away. Okay. Let's see, UCHEF. Okay, almost tapping us. Come on, GU and EU. I want to see that TP, that full TP smashed. Your strategy that simple? Yeah, I mean, it is pretty simple, but like I said, there's many things I look for in order to consider setup A plus, and also many things I look for in order to avoid losing trades. So yeah, I mean, now at the first glance, you watching me trade live, it might seem easy, but then if you try to replicate it, you'll see that you'll have a lot of second guessing, you know. So yeah. Hey, just a question. Whereby on EU and GU and USHF buy as well. Is USD CHF negatively correlated to Euro and GU? Yep, that is correct, but I don't really put a price on correlations, because you see, USHF might push a bit lower, and like this, EU and GU will smash the full TP, and then USHF could reverse and head towards the upside, you know. So that's why I'm just taking them individually. Depending on what they show me, you know. If they show me an A plus setup, I'm taking them, you know, because I never know when they're going to reverse, if that makes sense. The best strategy ever. Hey, appreciate you saying that, Marius. But to be honest, I think the mentoring, the swing system is even better, and I'm sure that there's people that can confirm it in the live. In the previous live session, we had a handful of people that are in my mentoring that confirmed that the mentoring swing system is even better than this system, and it's for a reason, you know. It's definitely for a reason. But appreciate you. Let's go full TP in GU. Yeah, we're almost there. We are almost there. Same with EU. USHF about to tap us in. Looks like it. So yeah. GJ not interested anymore. Gold, like I said, didn't take the setup, and looks like we avoided a loss. Okay, so you can see, guys, today we literally avoided 3 losses and took 2 wins. Okay, so it's very important. Like I said, it's harder than it looks, you know, because I know many traders that would have taken this setup as well as the other 2 losses that we avoided taking today. Okay, and yeah, this would have been a loss. Stop loss would be below this low, and it would have been triggered right now. So yeah, here you go, guys. Once again, another loss that was avoided because I stayed true to my plan and stayed very selective. Okay, so yeah, GU approaching the final TP, the 2RR, because I know there's some people in my community that aim for the 3RR as well, but personally I like to aim for the 2RR. Very rarely I go for the 3RR. Okay, noted. Thanks, appreciate it. You're welcome. Hi Dan, are you in a trade now? I'm in 2 trades, brother. As mentioned before, in GU, that's approaching my 2RR, my 2RR, and on Euro USD, that is also approaching the 2RR. Okay, and on USHF, I'm about to get tapped in. Okay. Do live trading twice a week, please. I'm doing it twice a week in my community. Okay, so like I said, if you want to apply for that, first link down below. Publicly, I won't be able to do it because I won't have the time. Look at USD CHF. Yep, I know it's about to tap us in. So yeah, I have the buy limit set, so that's why I'm not stressing over it. Come on, GU. I know you want to hit it. We're super close. We are super duper close on GU to smash the full target. 40 minutes left until the session will end. And what can I say, guys? I really hope you're enjoying it. I hope you're enjoying it. Like I said, if you are, make sure to smash that like button. We are at 80 likes now. Let's go. Let's see if we can smash if we can smash 90 likes today. That would be really cool. That would be really cool. And also make sure you are subscribed, okay, to not miss out on any future lives, any future uploads, and yeah, all the good stuff. And of course, first link down below, click it only if you are very serious about trading, okay? And yeah, for now, let's just chill. I'm gonna check my phone to see if I have some important notifications. Looks like I have some more messages regarding the mentoring. Like I said, guys, I'm not ignoring you. As soon as the session will end, I will get back to your messages regarding the mentoring and see if you qualify for it. Okay. There's some kids outside that scream and play. Just in case you guys don't know what's going on in the background. But yeah, I'll check your messages in a sec. I mean, this session is going really well. Super happy with it. Super duper happy with it. Okay. Let's check you, chef. Ah, it missed the entry by a tiny bit. Let's see though. It should trigger pretty soon, right? GU still super close to the 2RR. GJ, like I said, we're not taking it. And yeah, gold, check this out. We avoided taking a loss on gold. US 30 nothing, and Nasdaq nothing. So yeah, we'll just have to chill for now, guys. Okay. Advice for better SL. What do you mean? Advice for better SL. Put on UCHEF. Yeah, I analyzed UCHEF. UCHEF might leave without us by a miss of like 1 pip. If that's the case, so be it. I'm still super happy with how today went. I'm enjoying today's trading session, bro. I'm glad you do. Then you trade on Monday. If not, why? Thanks. I do trade on Monday unless there's like bank holidays. I am trading on Monday. USD triggered. Let's see. No, it didn't trigger. As we can see, it missed by not even a pip, I think. Yeah, by 0.2 pips, by 2 points. It has created a resistance in EU. If anything, it looks to me that it created a lot of volatility. You know, there's a lot of volatility here above these equal highs, and most likely, I think price will grab it. Okay, and that's when the TP will the full 2RR TP will get smashed as well. So yeah, that for me looks like volatility. Liquidity, sorry, not volatility. Looks like liquidity. GU still really close to the TP, and yeah, I mean, there's no point to browse through the pairs so often. Let's just sit on GU for now, and I'll just recheck the charts in the next like 5 or 10 minutes. Until then, let's see what other messages. As a liquidity grab, yeah, I mean, on, like I said, on EU, this looks like a liquidity area, and price will most likely head towards it and take it, and that's when most likely the TP will get smashed as well, the full 2RR TP, if of course you're still in the trade, because if you already closed everything, then that's good for you. You know, everyone has their own managing rules. So yeah, let's see, we are at 82 likes. Come on, guys. Can we smash 90 likes today? Can we hit 90 likes? That would be really, really, really cool. So, if there's any other questions, guys, feel free to let me know. We still have around 30 minutes left of this trading session, and it started to become a bit more chill because this one was so filled with action. So, yeah, let me know. Let me know if there's any questions or any topics you would like us to discuss about. Check USD CHF. Okay, let's check it. Still didn't trigger. Still didn't trigger. On GU, why didn't you enter on the third VVG? So because if I have 3 VVGs, I am entering on the second one. If I have 4 VVGs, I don't look for a setup at all, because it seems that the trade already happened, you know, that the move already happened, essentially. That's my thesis. UCHEF still didn't trigger, okay. I quit my job for focusing on trading. What is your opinion? I think that was a wrong decision. You shouldn't quit your trading because of trading. You shouldn't quit your job because of trading. Trading can be added to your current schedule, and then in time, if you truly make a good amount from trading, a good income, that's when you could consider quitting your job or doing a part-time job. Because trading shouldn't take more than 2 hours a day, sometimes even less, because that's why I told you guys about the mentoring system. The mentoring swing system is what 80% of people that join my mentoring prefer. Not this strategy here, but the mentoring swing system. You want to know why? Very simple. That system requires only 20 to 30 minutes a day, whereas this one requires around 2 hours and 30 minutes. Okay, so you do the maths. Do you need to quit your job for 30 minutes a day? I don't think so, you know? And quitting your job means that you will then put a lot more pressure on yourself. And that for me is a no-go, okay? You don't need to sacrifice things to become a profitable trader. That's what so many people don't understand. You just need to have a strict plan, a simple plan that you follow, and then you will see results. And in time, of course, if you see good results, consistent results, you build up some capital, then of course you can consider either going part-time with your job or pursuing trading full-time. But understand that in order for you to become a profitable trader, you don't need to sacrifice your job that is currently paying you well and paying the bills. You don't have to sacrifice time with your loved ones. You don't have to sacrifice your friends. No, all you need to do is create a good schedule, good routine, good habits, and stick to it. Stick to the plan and show up every single day, put in consistent work, and you will see results. So in my opinion, I don't think it was a good decision to quit your job, but at the end of the day, it's up to you. We're our own bosses, so to say, so everyone does whatever they want. I just expressed my my opinion on what you said. So yeah, hope it makes sense. Right now, nothing else. US 30 flew away. US 30, where is US 30? Yeah, indeed it flew away. Can you say again, why do you look for buy on EU and GU? So on GU, first things first, price took out this liquidity level. Then I saw it tapped into this 1 hour unmitigated demand. I'm talking about this one here, okay? And I expected a rejection from it. Then on the 5 minute, I waited for an aggressive market structure shift. Because if I get an aggressive market structure shift, then I might have an A+ setup. That's why I noted here A+ potential depending on market structure shift. And we can see that here we had the aggressive market structure shift. Price broke structure right here, leaving these two beautiful fair value gaps behind. I entered on the second. We also had SMT compared to euro dollar, and the rest was history. The entry was tapped here and then price took off, went straight in profit. And for EU, really simple as well. This is the liquidity level that was taken out. Price then tapped into this 1 hour unmitigated demand as well. Okay, and I expected it to have a reaction to it, which it did. And then on the 5 minute, I said to myself, okay, this could be an A+ potential depending on market structure, on the market structure shift. So I waited for the market structure shift. What I saw is that some more buyers were liquidated here, some more buyers were stopped out, and then price went towards the upside, smashed the structure right here, broke up, left this fair value gap behind, and I entered on the fair value gap, and the rest was history. Okay, so that's why I took these two setups on gold, on GBP USD, and on Euro USD. And Yushef is playing with us at this moment. It literally missed us by 2 points, by 0.2 pips. And now it looks like it's heading towards the upside. If it does, it's all good. I'm not going to complain. But yeah, that's that, guys. GJ Cell looks good. What do you think? It doesn't. I mean, I would only look for a sell if it would liquidate this high over here. Otherwise, I won't. So, yeah. Completely agree with you. Trading can complement your job. Exactly. You don't need sacrifices, you know? And the thing is, if you sacrifice your job that is currently paying you well, you will then feel a lot more pressure on your shoulders to perform as a trader. And trust me, trading under pressure is not ideal. Not ideal at all. Okay? So, yeah. Hope it makes sense. Gold buy zone. There's no buy zone on gold. There was a potential setup here on gold that we didn't take, and we avoided taking a loss because we didn't take it. Why didn't we take it? Because it had a weak shift. Okay, I didn't see a full body closure, hence why I decided to not take it, and it was the right decision. And apart from that, I don't see anything else on gold. Okay, so yeah, hope it makes sense. What about USDC CHF now? I'm just waiting, brother. I'm just waiting. It still didn't trigger me. Okay, we can see it missed the entry by 0.2 pips. I'm just waiting. Nothing to do about it. I don't know about you, but USD CHF triggered on my account. Nice. I'm happy for you. Is Silver Bullet profitable? Go ahead, backtest it, and you will see if it's profitable. What if gold breaks the support today? What if? What do you want to ask if it breaks the support? You have 6 indicators on what is that? On what is that? Can you show us? I don't use them. I just have them here, but I'm not really using them. The only one I'm using is this no gaps candles because it fills basically the gaps the candles have, and that's pretty much it. I just use price action. Okay. What happened to gold? I wasn't from the beginning. So Octavus on gold, we only had this potential setup here that we didn't take, and it was a good thing because it would have been a loser. The reason we didn't take it is because it had a weak shift here. Okay, that's why we didn't take this setup on gold. If anything, I would try and transfer myself to a part-time job if I wanted less time so I can spend more on trading. Exactly. But even then, you should consider a part-time job only after you're already making decent profits and consistent profits. You know, that's my opinion. Because even with a full-time job, you can still make it. Like, I'm speaking out of experience here. I have people that join my mentoring. I've had several people that not only work full-time jobs, 8 hours a day, but they also have kids. They also have kids to take care of. They have a full-time job where they work 8 hours a day, yet they still make time for trading. So if they can do it, everyone else can do it. Okay. They focused on the mentoring swing strategy only. That requires only 30 minutes a day. They applied it in the morning or in the evening whenever they wanted, and that's how they were able to find consistency with trading as well, without having to sacrifice their job that pays them well, that pays them consistently. They didn't sacrifice time with their kids or with their family. All they had to do is spend 30 minutes a day, and that's it. You know, so there's always a solution. You just have to search for it. You just have to search for it. It's easy to think that, oh, I need to sacrifice everything in order to make it. In trading, it's not how it works. I agree. In many areas in this life, that's how it works. For example, in sports, right? I played tennis professionally. I felt that whenever I was playing 2 hours a day and the others were playing 6 hours a day, I was left behind because they were training more than me, you know? Even though they weren't more talented than me, because they were training more, they were also better. So in sports, for example, tennis, football, basketball, you name it, in sports, I truly think that you need to sacrifice. You cannot become a successful tennis player, a successful football player, if you don't sacrifice things. Why you need to sacrifice things? To have time to do it. If you want to become a professional footballer, you need to spend at least 6 or 8 hours a day training. Training, recovering, eating well, sleeping well. You cannot do anything else besides football, besides tennis. But in trading, it is different. That mindset doesn't apply. You know, that's what people fail to understand when they get into trading. And that's why they get stuck. They get stuck for many years searching for something that they will never find, which is perfection, which is thinking that the more they work, the more money they'll make. It's not like that when it comes to trading. That's not how trading works. And the sooner you understand it, the better. And I know it's hard because, like I said, in everything else, you most likely need to sacrifice something at a certain point. Like I just gave you the example with professional sports. You know, you have to sacrifice to become a professional athlete. Without it, you'll never become a professional athlete with only 2 hours of training a day when others train for 8 hours a day. Never. No matter how talented you are, you will never become a professional athlete, you know? But in trading, that is different. That is different. I hit 3R RNG using Silver Bullet. Congrats. Thanks. You're welcome. Then my target in USD is based on daily previous candle because I have CRT, so I'm not leaving it in 1 to 2. Yeah, sure. Go ahead. Do it as you wish. Now it seems that it's going towards the double bottom at 3124. Yeah, looks like it. But on gold, I'm not really keen to take anything else. Like I said, I avoided taking this losing trade. I mean, the only way I would take a setup on gold is if I would see this low liquidated and then a super beautiful and aggressive shift, you know, but I doubt that will happen because in 20 minutes, we will be done trading for today. Okay. Hey, what a cool question. What's your take on Alexandra Ayala ran on Miami Open? I actually saw that and I was super impressed to see how good she performed. I was actually rooting for her to win the tournament, but still she did amazing. You know, I mean that's where hard work and talent gets you. You know, she's super talented. She's very hardworking as well. She's also very young, and that's amazing. So I think she has a bright future. I think she has a very bright future ahead. If she keeps the same mindset, you know, I don't see why she wouldn't hit huge milestones. So yeah, she's a great player. I'm not gonna lie. It was a pleasure to watch some highlights of her matches. So yeah, only good things to mention about her. I'm not gonna lie. Super talented, super hardworking, big props. I hope you go back on playing pro tennis. I mean, deep down, brother, I always feel a bit of regret on not pursuing tennis fully. But the thing is, you gotta always balance things in life. You know, for me, that's how I make the decision of quitting professional tennis and focusing more on trading because I felt that I wasn't able to fully focus on none of them. You know, I was playing tennis for 2 hours a day, 3 hours a day, and then with the rest of the day, I was focusing on trading, and it was so tiring. And I was feeling that I'm not progressing as much as I wanted with tennis. And because of that, I just felt like quitting it, you know, because other people were training for 6 hours a day. They were training. I was training only for 2 hours a day, you know, and the difference was very big. And for me to train 6 or 8 hours a day as a professional tennis player, that means that I would probably have to quit trading, you know, because tennis and professional sports in general is very tiring. It eats up all of your day if you want to do it full time, you know. And for me, I just thought that trading is the better route, you know, and that's why I pursue trading, you know. But I'm still playing tennis every now and then, not at a pro level. Maybe I'll get into some pro tournaments just for fun since I still have a professional point. But I still play it for fun, you know. Tennis is definitely probably my biggest love, so to say, like my biggest passion. But that doesn't mean that it has to be the thing that I will do for my whole entire life, you know. And I'm okay with that. I'm okay with my decision. It was a hard one. I'm not gonna lie, definitely was. But yeah, I appreciate you saying that though. I really do. So yeah, we're having some deep conversations here, aren't we? Yusef is still playing around with us. It's literally the fourth time. It literally missed us by 0.2 points. If anything, liquidity is building up here, so anytime soon I think it should trigger us in the next 15 minutes. If not, it's all good. I'm still super happy and thankful about how today went. Either way, you know. So yeah, let's see. Um, can you tell us when you are in UChef? Yes. I mean, I set a buy limit on this level, so whenever it's going to trigger, it will trigger. Why not enter GBP JPY? Why should I? You mean the buy or what? If it's the buy, then because the move already happened, in my opinion. It went too high up for me to still take it. You know? So, yeah. Hello, bro. Can you show your Fibonacci setting, please? Yep, sure. It's this one here. Pause the video and you will be able to copy it. Okay. Thank you, Dan. You're welcome. You're welcome. Let's see. We are at 89 likes. Come on, guys. Can we smash the 90 likes barrier? That would be very cool. We smashed the previous record by a mile today. Super happy about it. Super happy about it. And also, guys, like I said, make sure you are subscribed as well to not miss out on any future uploads and any future live sessions. Okay. Mm. 15 minutes left. Let me know if there's any other questions, any other topics you want us to discuss about until we'll wrap things up for today. So yeah, let me know. Come on, you chef. I think it's going to trigger us now. It found all this liquidity below these lows. I bet it's going to tap us in. Apart from that, nothing else. Yeah, nothing else. Oh, come on. Yeah, tapped us in. Tapped us in. So we are in UChef as well over here. 3 trades today. Wow. Who would have? I think no one expected to have 3 trades today. I personally didn't, for sure. But yeah, like I said, I don't have a limit on how many A+ setups I am taking. It's that simple. So this liquidity was taken over here as well. Let's announce the group that we are in. UChef. Okay, we're in UChef. Perfect. Perfect. What a eventful day. Who would have expected it? But yeah, I'm super happy about it, guys. And I'm also looking forward to be able to get back to you guys on Telegram because I see some few messages from you regarding the mentoring. And that's cool because it means that there is a lot of serious people that join this live that really want to make something out of trading. And for those people, those are the people that I'm willing to work with, you know? So yeah, I'll get back to you guys very soon, as soon as this session will end. And we'll see from there if you qualify, of course. Which session do you trade? Generally, New York session. Is it worth for a beginner to spend time learning ICT? Yeah, I mean, it can sure help, but in my opinion, it would be a lot better to search for a mentor instead because it will save you a lot of time and possibly money as well. Because you'll see that there's a lot of information and it's going to be very hard for you as a beginner to basically mix it and create a profitable system out of it. Whereas if you look for a mentor, someone that has already done it and is already doing it, and is also helping other people do it as well, that would make things a lot easier for you. And the best way to choose a mentor, follow these two criteria. Number one, has to be someone that has done it and is currently doing it, someone that is a trader and also has social proof, basically other people being profitable because of him. And number two, someone that you resonate with. If you find these two, then I would recommend you to reach out to him and try to work with him and learn his ways. That would save you so much time and potentially money as well. Okay. Tapped. Yep, it did tap. So far, it's a pretty beautiful reaction, but we'll see. What strategy are you using? I use a strategy based on liquidity concepts, fair value gaps, imbalance, market structure, and also supply and demand. How many pairs you trade at a time? So for this day trading strategy, I trade these 7 pairs. However, for the mentoring swing system, I trade all the Forex pairs. A lot of videos say ICT and waste of time. Do you agree or no? One sec. Okay, so we are still there. I'm looking at the correlation a bit at these two. Apart from that, GJ, gold, US 30 and NASDAQ, nothing. Okay, so let me get back to your message. Many people have different opinions. You should do what's best for you. Okay, what I recommended you, I've already recommended 1 minute ago. So yeah, then you trade when opportunity comes, or you trade in only specified time. I trade only during the New York session this strategy, and then for the mentoring swing system, whenever throughout the day, whenever I want. You know, for that one, I can be flexible with it. Is it possible to make a monthly payment option for your mentoring program just to be in your community and see the swing strategy without you to be mentoring one-on-one? Unfortunately, that is not possible. I am not accepting monthly joins anymore because I want to keep the circle small with people that are very serious about this. And like this, I also have more time for them, because in the past, when I was accepting monthly joins as well, I had a lot less time because I was getting so many messages from people that were joining with the monthly plan, and they were bombarding with me with messages. People that also didn't have a good mindset. That's why I decided to keep the circle small. If you join the mentoring, you get access to everything, you know, and that's how we will be able to work one-on-one as well. So yeah, hope it makes sense. If you're not able to join it now and you truly want to join it, just stay patient, and whenever you'll be ready, you'll start. You know, I'll be here in the upcoming weeks, in the upcoming months as well. So yeah, we can start then if you're not ready now. Which strategy is better, order flow or SMC? There's no such thing as better. It's just testing, see what works, what doesn't, and what suits your style. Thank you. You're welcome. Gold is selling. Yes, I think it is. Yep, definitely selling. No opportunity on gold. Like I said, only one was this one here that we didn't take, and it was good that we didn't take it because we avoided taking a loss. Once again, reason we didn't take it is because we had a weak market structure shift. We had no body closure above this high, hence why we didn't take this setup. The only setups for today are UCHEF that is having a sniper reaction right now. I mean, I'm pretty speechless about how good today went. So we have UCHEF, okay? We have GU that is running very well. Like I said, hope you guys closed partials. Hope you secured the break even, all the good stuff. Same goes for euro dollar, okay? So yeah, it was an amazing day. It was an amazing day, and it looks like we're ending it with a sniper on UCHEF as a cherry on top. So yeah, I mean, it's been a beautiful day. Okay, it's been a beautiful day for sure. Let me do a short update for the story. or not yet. Let's see if USHF is going to push a bit higher, and then we'll do one. Maybe gold is now manipulation time. Maybe, but 5 minutes left until the session will end. I'm not really keen on taking any other setups, if I'm being honest. It was a great day. Okay, it was a great day, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it as well as much as I did. I know it was really profitable for you guys as well. I know you got some nice profits. But yeah, 91 likes, guys. Wow. Can we smash 100? That's my question. I mean, probably we can't, because in 5-6 minutes I will end the session, but let's try it. Can we smash 100 likes today, guys? We are at 91. Let's see. If not, it's still all good. Like, it's we broke the previous record. Super happy about that too. And yeah, besides that, guys, like I said, make sure you're subscribed, and yeah, enjoy. Enjoy. If you haven't watched the upload from Saturday, make sure to watch it. It's a really cool one. I bet you guys will love it. And also stay tuned for the upload that I will post this weekend. Okay, on Saturday it's gonna be a really cool one as well. And yeah, I have really cool stuff planned for you guys. Okay, when it comes to content, when it comes to value, I'm really happy about that. I'm really enjoying it as well, doing it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it as well. Perfect. Glad you liked it. Let's see where we're at now. At 94. Come on. 6 likes left until we smash the 100. 6 likes left. That'll be super cool. Regardless, it will be super cool, but let's see. Can we smash the 100 likes today, guys? Can we smash it? That's my question. Today was definitely a good day and definitely made profits. We'll always be on the lookout for more content and setups. Nice. Glad to hear it, brother. Glad to hear it. And indeed, today we can all pat ourselves on the back. It was truly an amazing day. And yeah, I mean, super happy about it. Please sell correct MSS, easily identify. So for me, the market structure shift has to be aggressive, with a full body closure above or below the structure, and a decent looking fair value gap, a good looking fair value gap that's been left behind. That is what I want to see. Okay, so yeah, hope it makes sense. Let's see where we're at now. 95 likes. Come on, guys. 5 likes left. Can we smash the 100? Can we smash it? Okay, I'm gonna check my phone real quick to see if I have any important notifications. Let me do the short update as well. So guess what, people? 1 minute left until we're ending the trading session, and we caught another sniper. 343 today, it seems. GU and EU, we already know about them. USHF just triggered, and so far it's looking like a beautiful snipe. People are still live. Hope you guys were able to attend it as well. If not, I think you can. I think you'll be able to watch it in your free time. And yeah, today was an amazing day. Okay, I'm super happy about it. And yeah, if you are in these trades, make sure to close partials to secure the break even, because now that the session has ended, this is what I would recommend you to do. Okay, so yeah, wishing you all the best and have a beautiful rest of your day. Okay. But what a day, guys. What a day. Please stay until UCHEF is going up. I mean, I will end the live in the next couple minutes. But UCHEF can go up without me being live as well, you know? So, let me post the story real quick and then I'll see if there's any other questions and we'll wrap things up, okay? Yeah, your ship is looking good. Looks like it will smash TP1 pretty soon. I mean, I mean, today was mental. Today was mental. Thanks, Dan. You're welcome. Let's see. Are we at 100 likes? 98 likes. Come on, guys. 2 more likes, and we smashed the 100. Okay, come on. 2 more likes. That's all we need. In the meantime, let me delete everything on these pairs where we had no setups today. That's NASDAQ, that's US 30, gold as well. Of course, on gold, we avoided taking a loss, so props to us. GJ as well, no setups, and these are the 3 ones where we had setups today, okay? Beautiful, 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 beautiful day, guys. Super happy about it, okay? Super happy about it. Let's see. Did we smash the 100? 102, guys. 102 likes. This is mental. This is mental. What a milestone. Super happy about it. I wasn't expecting it. I wasn't expecting today to be this good. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, what can I say? I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys made really good profits today. Once again, this was the trade we took, as well as this one, as well as this one. 3 for 3. Nothing else to say really. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you made beautiful profits. And yeah, when is our next live trading? Next Tuesday. Once again, guys, if you like this style of trading and you would like to work with me one-on-one, learn the other mentoring system as well, that's preferred by 80% of people that join the mentoring instead of this one, click the first link down below and apply for it. Okay, make sure you are subscribed to not miss out on any future uploads or any future live sessions. Make sure to watch the long form that I posted this Saturday. It was a super cool one, the one where I tried passing the 200k prop from account. And yeah, make sure to stay tuned. Okay, so yeah, guys, that's it. We'll end it right here. Once again, I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, and I hope you made good profits. And yeah, I will see you guys soon. Take care, guys. Bye bye.